Hello and welcome to Four Little Bears. This is bittersweet as this is the 11th day, almost the last day of the Holiday Fun Advent Calendar series that I'm doing this year. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. This is a quick little 5-minute gift idea that is so cute and easy for the holidays if you have any last-minute gifts that you need to get ready. In day number 11, we got these cute little sprinkles and an adorable little door. And what I did with the door is I just cut that out to make the front for this little box. I might pause this here just to show you how you can scale this up. The first thing you need to do is figure out how big your object is that you need to wrap and give it a little bit of wiggle room. So let's say that's A by B, width and length. And then also you need to figure out how tall you want your box to be, and that's going to be C. Hopefully that makes more sense when we put actual numbers in here, but this might be a good way to screenshot this for future reference if you need it. So for my box, I'm going to make mine 6 inches by 5 inches. And I'll score at 1.5 inches all the way around the edges. And my finished box base will be 3 inches by 2 inches deep, and it'll be 1.5 inches in height. I scored those, now I'm just going to fold all of these edges. And I'm going to cut on the red lines. It really doesn't matter which side you start cutting on. Just make sure that you use the opposite edges. Just slice right along that score line up to the first score. And the same on the opposite side. Then I'll just add glue to those flaps and kind of try to square them up as best I can with the box edges. These would be so cute on coworkers' desks if you needed to make some quick coworker gifts. For now, I just used the sprinkles that came in day 10 just to show you what it was, but you could add chocolates to these, anything, make these whatever size you need. I think they're really cute. So for this box front, I'm just going to go ahead and put glue all over the front of that box and stick on my Santa Claus sentiment that was the door from day 11. These are so cute and simple, and I can't get enough of them. I'm going to be making lots of these. I hope you guys enjoyed this. That is all. Again, I hope you're enjoying this series. It's almost over, and that is bittersweet. But we have done some pretty cool things. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments which one of the projects was your favorite. Again, we've got one more to go, which is going to be a pretty cute one. So I really hope you stick around and join me for that next one also. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and share. Every little bit counts. Stay safe, stay blessed, and have a wonderful holiday season.